Hey everyone, Michael here. Are you ready for some increased volatility? Because I sure am. This is going to be a very, very crazy day, guys. So we have the trend line right here. We only have today and possibly tomorrow to break out. And in order for a breakout to occur tomorrow, we actually have to move up a little bit more today before that happens. Probably closer up to 55,591, which is only about 400 points up, which is not a lot, right? So let's go over to the 4-hour chart for Bitcoin. You can see we have this trend line here. Tap, tap. And so far it's been working out for us. We have about, let's say 12 to 16 hours, maybe 24 hours left until we actually come into contact with this line. You know, the trend line, we really need to be up a little bit more so we can actually have a continual breakout that goes like this, where we could possibly hit resistance somewhere around here, about 59,500, I believe. That would be the peak. That's from way back over here from May, right? 59,537-ish. Okay, so short-term wise, guys, we need this to curl up a little bit more. If for whatever reason, you know, we do not break out, what you're going to see is we're actually going to probably come back down here towards 53,343. Not a huge drop for Bitcoin. Altcoins may have some serious drops, so just be prepared for that, guys. If we fall down below this level of 53,343, that's where you guys are opening up short positions. That's where you guys are, you know, unfortunately selling a lot of your altcoins because you want to be able to buy those altcoins for a much cheaper price to accumulate more coins if you want to do that, or simply just to make more money on a profit margin, right? Okay, so that's what's going to happen over the next few hours. What I'm going to do now is I'm actually just going to point up here. Let me see if I can do supply and demand zones. It'll show us if we do break out with that clear level where we might see a little bit of selling pressure on and where we may see some buying pressure on. So this may actually be another level of support for us at the moment. Looks like it, that's decent enough because it did have to pop up there. So another level of resistance, if we do fall down below this 53,343 level, is going to be about 51,000, 50,900-ish levels. So that's going to be your bottom. If it drops below that, then you're really going to be going heavy on the shorts, unfortunately. But you know, if you guys like to short, you'll be making money. If we pop, first-term resistance or short-term resistance, excuse me, is going to be about 58,204, which makes a little bit of sense here because what you can see right there is quick little pop up here, consolidate a little bit, consolidate, another pop up here, hopefully towards the 61,000 zone. But before that, we're gonna have to break 60,000, which is going to be a pretty sizable level of resistance, everybody. Now, the one last thing here is we do have a high activity expected alert going on. I use this algorithm, it works pretty well for me. Sorry, my dog's kind of chewing up everything in the background, everybody. But whenever we have high activity, which you kind of see right here, we usually have pretty increased levels of volatility. So when you see high activity right here, this means that whales are about to make a move. Whether that's, you know, dropping us down or whether that's pumping us up, expect volatility coming up in the next, let's say 24 hours at the max. If it doesn't happen in 24 hours, something's a little bit wrong. That means we're probably not looking so hot, or it's going to be a surprise pop for the most part, okay? All right, everybody, have a great rest of your day, and if you like what you saw, please consider subscribing and liking the channel and commenting down below. If you guys have any questions down below, please let me know. I'll be working on a few other videos today, and then I will be seeing you guys probably later tonight, even though it's my day off. I will hang out with you guys later on tonight. See everybody, because I want to see this volatility pop.